In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add patterns on a Tradingview chart. This is a great way to visually analyze market trends and can be extremely helpful for traders looking to make informed decisions. First, navigate to Tradingview by entering the website URL into your browser's address bar. Tradingview is a popular platform among traders for its versatility and comprehensive charting capabilities, and it's where we'll be carrying out today's instructions. Once you've landed on the homepage, click on Supercharts. This option provides access to advanced charting features that will open up a world of opportunities for detailed market analysis. The Supercharts feature is a powerful tool, allowing you to view real-time data and use advanced functionalities. It's crucial for getting the most out of Tradingview. Now, look towards the left side of your screen for the menu. Within this menu, you should find an icon or label for pattern symbols. This is your gateway to a range of predefined patterns that you can use to mark important trends or signals on your chart. By selecting this option, a variety of pattern styles should appear for you to choose from. Whether you're looking at candlestick patterns, harmonic patterns, or others, identifying and selecting the right pattern style to fit your strategy is key. After selecting your desired pattern style, click on it to highlight it within the available options. This step is straightforward but important as it ensures that the selected pattern will be ready for application directly onto your chart. The highlight function is there to verify your choice, providing confidence that the pattern you selected is correctly cued. With your pattern highlighted and confirmed, you're now set to move it onto your chart. Drag and drop the pattern onto the desired part of your chart. This action will place your selected pattern into the area of interest and allow you to visualize potential patterns and trends much more clearly. Having this functionality at your fingertips is immensely helpful for both short-term trading strategies and long-term market analysis. In conclusion, not only is adding patterns on Tradingview manageable and efficient, but it can also significantly enhance your market analysis. By following these steps, you'll be able to leverage these powerful charting tools to better understand market behavior. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, utilizing patterns in Tradingview is a valuable skill that will help you make more informed trading decisions. Thank you for joining us today, and happy trading.